Let's try rotating the handle slowly. It works!
My name is Nadoka and I'm the mommy scientist. And let me show you my lab. Mommy scientist!
Konnichiwa everyone, this is Nadoka from Artec, the mommy scientist. And today we will be making my own hand-powered flashlight from the Easy Papercrafts series. Did you know you can make a flashlight without batteries? All you need are 2 hands and this kit. Now let's see what's in the kit. The kit includes the following parts. You will also need these from home. Now let's put everything together. Let's try rotating the handle slowly. It works when I rotate the handle fast. It's brighter. Without a plastic bottle attached, the flashlight makes a single dot of light in front of me, but if I add a plastic bottle, it can light up the whole area around my flashlight. Let me explain the science to you. Inside your flashlight, you'll find a motor. When you turn the handle, this motor acts like an electric generator to power your LED. Artec Easy Papercrafts allow you to hunt for treasure, make your own flashlights, and more with 6 enlightening hands-on science projects. Just remove the cardboard cutouts and start building with no scissors required and minimal gluing mess. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next video.